Hey there, blowers. Welcome to another challenge. What did you think of school, Just Ty?
I liked school.
You liked school?
I love the learning.
Do you know what my favorite part of school was, though?
What?
Lunchtime.
Oh.
So tell us, how's it gonna go?
We're gonna do this in 5 rounds where we're gonna spin the wheel and take an item from our school lunchbox and chuck it into our smoothie. And at the end of those 5 rounds, we're going to blend this thing up and we're going to attempt to finish our smoothie first.
And the winner, what they're gonna get is a mystery prize that's inside this backpack right here. Oh, mystery prize.
We've got some classic sandwiches. They've even cut the crusts off.
Yogurt suckies.
Yogurt suckies. Man, I was like, you don't need those. What is this? I think it's kale.
That's for the pet rabbit. PVA glue.
Maybe some pencil shavings might just fall into this mix as well.
All right, so shall we get this challenge started? Paper, scissors, rock.
Oh. Yes! Here we go. Spin, 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 spin.
Oh, it is kale salad to start it off. We got a minute.
Oh, come on.
Nice Marmite sandwich. Stale, just like Mum used to make.
I really want some bananas.
Marmite sandwich in there again.
Marmite and kale? Yep.
Okay, no, keep going.
Oh, that was close. Almost the PBA.
PBA.
No.
Oh, no way. No near. Oh, banana.
Oh, okay.
Going up.
Oh.
Muesli bar.
Ooh, you did want muesli bar?
Yum, yeah. Peanut butter sandwich. Oh, I didn't even know
right.
that was there. Woodix, go. Call it.
Oh,
yeah. In there.
Yeah, here we go, round 5.
Yeah, last round. This is our last ingredient. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Fruit strings.
Oh, it smells really good.
Wow, it looks like a lolly. It looks like a candy. Come on. Raisins.
Nice.
Raisins in. Make a mess.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'm not going to do that. I'm going to end up doing that.
Smells like egg.
Smells like kale. Smell that.
Oh yeah, no, that smells like peanut butter. That smells like, yeah, not good. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's overflowing. So are we gonna have a taste or we're just gonna go for it?
Nah man, you just gotta go for it.
Okay. 2, 1.
Oh, peanut butter and kale! That did not sound nice.
Okay, we'll switch.
Yeah, okay.
There you go.
Banana clashes with egg.
Yeah.
It doesn't mix.
Yours is worse. Oh, champion.
School Lunchbox Smoothie Challenge champion!
Take your prize.
All right, what have we got?
Prize there.
It's a... Oh yeah!
That's really cool. It's like a pixel.
It's got a burger on it.
Okay guys, so that was the School Smoothie Lunchbox Challenge. Thanks for joining us. Good job, Just Ty, for taking that out.
That's good.
Doing this challenge, you know what it made me think about? It made me think about how as a kid I always had lunches, and that was really cool, and I was really thankful for that, and I'm still thankful for that today. You know, there's kids out there that they don't get lunches in their lunchbox. If you're one of those kids that do always have lunch, it's a cool thing to help them out and share that with them.
Yeah.
But whether you have lunch or you don't have lunch, you know, there's always something that you can find to be thankful for. I'm thankful for today, not having PVA in my smoothie.
I'm thankful
it would have gone down well.
that I didn't get pencil shavings in my smoothie.
Yeah, so remember, whatever your situation, there's always something you can find to be thankful for, and that's a great thing to do. So we'll catch you in the next video.
Yeah, see ya.
See you guys later.
Yeah. I can fit so much food in this. Hey, comment down below and tell us what's your favorite thing in your lunchbox. Oh, what could I put in here? Burgers.